Was to me.
Yeah, me know this would have gone. Yeah, me see the jealousy from the start. I feel me fault. Me open up, me had to took it all. My hurt inside, not true, my love.
Welcome to Spiceee TV, where everything see me there, on there, we there. Yeah, don't know shit with there. Today's going into the city with my mom vlog, day of my life vlog. I don't know whatsoever the title say. That is it. But we're going in the city. We're gonna go to a doctor's appointment. Yeah, that's it really. We're gonna see what happens throughout the day. Yeah, but y'all, thank you for always clicking my videos, watching, liking, commenting, sharing, subscribing. I appreciate y'all so much. Continue to do so. Share to your friends. Tell a friend for tell a friend, cause once me up or not up, don't know straight. We're up. Yeah, I'm gonna get dressed and y'all gonna see me when I'm clothed. And yeah.
We are a chosen generation with a call for show the excellence. All I require for life, God has given me. I know who I am.
Bro, I really need to invest in a little car camera or whatever the case may be. But yeah, we be in the car, we be chilling, we be vibing, listening to music. Our favorite downtime, really. I know who I am.
We are on road trip here.
You are the fire.
This is the view we got. Mama P is here. Enjoying the ride. Come with us.
So honestly and truly, my engine light came on, and I was mad deep in the city, and I didn't want to say nothing because obviously she's in the car, and yeah. So now I was stressed out. I gotta go take my shit back to the shop. So y'all, we're here. We made it.
Yes, I'm here.
We made it, and now
We're gonna get some feel up today.
she's gonna get feel up today. That's all she really come to the doctors for, you know?
Feel up
To get feel up. Yeah.
You know, cancer survivor, you got to check.
Feel up, yeah. We're gonna see what happens. Y'all just saw me dig my whole nose. Oops. But you're gonna see what happens. for the rest of the day.
I just love making picture with you.
Why are you so close to me? So the appointment was done and we made it back to the car. My engine light is still on, which is still driving me nuts, but we're on the phone with my aunt, you know, talking the talk, gossip, nothing new, you know. But yeah. Okay, y'all, this got to sleep on. She shopping for shit and talk about some store credit. Store credit, please, girl.
It's gonna be much cheaper.
Okay,
Like this, yeah. That's the L shape, and it's the arm.
Okay,
This is size, and that's the arm.
okay. I like this one.
This is.
Where you putting it?
And the fabric is very good.
Take it like that.
Yeah, you can lay down, look like. You don't need even recliner. That one is like instead of the recliner. Not yours.
Stop fucking with her. She got me weak. Hey.
Yeah, you can, but you can't stand separate. It's supposed to be.
No, I mean, it's not, you don't have to be on this like how this is. Because accident have L-shaped lounge without it attached to this.
Separate, something like that. I mean, not this
Something
exactly.
like this.
Yeah, separately. I understand.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you can't, you want somebody.
Yo. We just gonna take bro, dead ass, do not look at my hair because I was really going through it. Heartbroken, yes. No hair done, mom in the hospital. Yeah, I was going through it. Car engine messing up. I just did not care.
Just call and that's it. And when you call, magic word, always you have to say accidentally happened. Accidentally.
Okay.
Keyword.
All right. Okay? Thank you so much. Yo, let's put me in a black dip. No, go on. Go on. Door.
I'm going to the
door. Run if you have to.
You can't run from your watch.
Yeah. She put me in a dip. Yeah, we've been outside all day. We finally eating.
Yeah, we're eating pizza.
Yeah, we eating pizza. And we still not done. We're gonna go pick up my aunt,
which is my sister. Been a pain in my ass.
Yeah. We're gonna pick up my aunt and then go drop her to her house. And then I should be going home.
And then we stop at the food stand and get planting for grandma.
I knew there was a catch. Let me tell y'all gonna see me again when my aunt come in the car and when we're going home. Yeah.
And then Long Belly, she's gonna come and say, "Oh, is you buy anything for me?"
Yeah. Regular. Anyways.
My things I know through my love. So this thing, look here how much you me touch. You me imagine when me a touch. Then when I broke, I feel like me a dream, so we have me up. My brain fresh, so my baby hear me now. Hear me now. You would have on my mind.